is an amazing colleague from Burkina Faso. Her Royal Highness Abze Djigma. She's a mechanical engineer. I like that. And she's going to tell us about Abze Solar. And it's really focused on women and girls in a really creative way. And so I will trade off a little bit with you. So look at the light. Beautiful innovation around solar and lighting.
Thank you. This is my Mama Light Solar Lamp. Thank you for inviting me and recognizing our work. Many thanks. This is a robust solar lamp designed to adapt to our climate. And with, it's a dust-proof, drop resistance, and also with our sun, you can charge it for 8 hours, and you have 5 hours light in the evening. As you know, on the sunset in Africa, it's totally dark. If you just close your eyes, you will see that it's completely dark. That's how it is. 90% of the people don't miss light. The Mama Light Initiative for Sustainable Energy, really, it's meant to empower the people. We're distributing more than 10 million solar lamps to help the people. With the Mama Light lamp, they can really study, work. The impact is huge. It's also make life more easier for women and kids. And more important, it's healthier. As you know that 4.3 million people dying every year for indoor pollution. This is really a pity. What the Mama Light Initiative for Sustainable Energy is unique. It's a bottom-up approach, community-based, owned by women, managed by women. We're training them to install, maintain, and I'm insisting on the maintenance because vocational training is really key. When you're technical, you know that you really need to go in that. And then comes, I'm really welcome the partnership that we have with UNDP. We commit within the Sendai framework to train, and we are training 5,000 youth and women in every country in the Sub-Sahara, combined with the multifunctional platform of in several countries. It's a ticket out of poverty, I can tell you. The impact is huge. Immediately you have 200,000 people who benefit. And you can imagine in Africa we are sharing those 200,000 people, you can multiply that by 10 easily. What we need, of course, is access to finance. We need to adapt also the tools. We need to be more flexible, listen to the bottom, working together with the local authorities, that's what I'm doing, the traditional authorities, to deliver the goods that they need, adapt it to our climate. It's very important. This is really key. And what I'm doing is to strengthen the supply chain for you. We like to partner. I'm not looking for charity. I want to be partner. We are part of the value chain. So time is limited. I would like really to share more with my experience and move our production lines to Africa. This is very important because the transportation cost is really huge. I thank you very much for your kind attention.
Thank you. And I love having an engineer princess. There's some folks in Hollywood, I might mention that too.